Today our topic is materials for repair, maintenance and other protections. So first of all we have the materials. Materials for repair. So first of all we have to choose a material for repair, for which we have to find out two things about that material. First is the compatibility. Compatibility. Compatibility is the agreement with that material on which it says how it is matched with our original material, or the material which is used in building and the material of repair. Both are how much similar. Means compatibility is the agreement with the material or repair material is agreement with the repair material. What type of agreement? Agreement have other types like its strength, its other physical properties and mechanical properties with the original mortar or our concrete. So first we have compatibility with mechanical property. Properties. In mechanical properties, we have to check first of all the strength. In strength, we have two types. First is compressive or compress, or second is tension. So in concrete, we only check the compression. For our RCC, we check compression and tension both. So the material we choose with the repair must compatible with the material which is used in the building. Next is our strength, then stress, and third is our strain. So the stress develop if the concrete have same strength, then the induced stress and strains will be same or mainly compatible with our building material. So next thing is the compatibility with thermal expansion. Second thing is compatibility with thermal expansion. In compatibility with thermal expansion, we have to find out what? Only the thermal expansion of our repair material and building material. In thermal expansion, we mainly check two things. First is for steel and second is our concrete. In steel or concrete. In steel, as we all know, coefficient of thermal expansion is given for steel and concrete both. Due to rise in temperature, steel expands and our concrete also creates expansion cracks in higher temperature and compress during our low temperatures. So the material must compatible with our building material, due to which thermal expansion of both materials, building material and the repair material, must compatible to each other. If it is not compatible, it means the material after some time, due to different shrinkage values, different shrinkage values, the shrinkage cracks develops in our repair bond. Repair bond is made between our building, which is we have to repair, and the repair material which we apply on it.